What are the ways to prevent hair loss after getting a perm?
Welcome to today's video. If you've just got a perm and you're worried about hair loss, you're in the right place. Today, we will be discussing the different ways to prevent hair loss after getting a perm. Let's get started on maintaining that gorgeous, healthy hair. Prevention is always better than cure.
Why does hair loss happen after getting a perm?
First things first, understanding the root cause of the problem is crucial. Hair loss after a perm is usually due to the chemicals used in the perming process, which can weaken hair strands and cause them to break off. The perm procedure changes the structure of your hair by breaking down and then reforming the protein bonds. This process can be stressful and damaging to your hair, especially if not done correctly or taken care of properly afterwards.
How can I take care of my permed hair?
Taking care of your hair after getting a perm is essential to prevent hair loss. Here are a few steps to help you maintain healthy hair. 1. Do not wash your hair immediately. It's best to wait at least 48 hours before washing your hair after getting a perm. This allows the perm to set and reduces the chances of hair damage. 2. Use conditioner regularly. Conditioning your hair after every shampoo can help strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. Opt for products specifically designed for chemically treated hair as they're often more nourishing. 3. Avoid heat styling. Heat can cause additional damage to permed hair. Try to limit the use of hair dryers, curling irons, or straighteners. If you do need to use them, always apply a heat protectant product first. 4. Limit chemical treatments. The more chemical treatments your hair goes through, the higher the chance of damage. Try to space out perms or other chemical treatments as much as possible. 5. Get regular trims. Regular trims can help to prevent split ends and breakage, keeping your hair looking healthy and full.
Are there any specific treatments I can use?
Yes, you can use hair treatments to prevent hair loss after a perm. 1. Deep conditioning treatments. These treatments can provide extra moisture and strength to your hair. You can use them once a week or as needed. 2. Protein treatments. Protein treatments can help to repair and strengthen the protein structure of your hair, which can be especially beneficial after a perm. 3. Scalp massages. Massaging your scalp can stimulate blood circulation, promoting hair growth. You can use essential oils like lavender or rosemary for added benefits. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to prevent hair loss after getting a perm. By understanding why hair loss occurs, taking care of your hair properly, and using specific treatments, you can maintain the health and fullness of your beautiful permed locks. Here's to your healthy, beautiful hair.